Have you ever heard of FIV, the virus that causes AIDS in cats? If you're a cat owner, you may have wondered about diseases that affect our feline friends and if there's any way to protect them. Or perhaps you've come across stories of glowing animals in science. But did you know that researchers have combined these two things to create cats that not only glow in the dark but may also hold the key to fighting feline AIDS? In this video, we're diving into the world of TG cats, genetically modified cats with the potential to combat FIV. You'll discover the science behind these unique cats and the groundbreaking research that could benefit both cats and humans alike. What are TG cats? TG cats, or transgenic cats, are genetically modified cats that carry specific genes not naturally found in felines. These modifications include a gene from jellyfish that makes the cats glow green under UV light and a gene from rhesus macaques, a type of monkey, which may provide resistance to FIV, the feline version of HIV. The glowing feature may seem purely aesthetic, but it serves as a crucial marker that shows scientists the genetic modification was successful, making these cats an essential part of scientific research. Purpose of TG cats research. The primary aim behind creating TG cats was to find a way to prevent or treat FIV in cats. Led by Dr. Eric Poeschler at the Mayo Clinic, the research began in 2011, focusing on understanding how to block FIV from infecting cats' immune cells. FIV, much like HIV in humans, attacks the immune system and spreads primarily through feral cat populations. By studying how genetically modified TG cats respond to FIV, scientists hope to gain insights that could eventually help in combating HIV in humans as well. If FIV resistance can be developed in cats, it could prevent the disease from spreading in feline populations, especially among feral and at-risk cats. How TG cats were created. Creating TG cats involves a precise process of genetic editing. Scientists inserted two genes into the egg cells, or oocytes, of cats before fertilization. The TRIMCYP gene from rhesus monkeys produces a protein known as a restriction factor. This protein can block FIV from replicating within cells, which may prevent the virus from spreading in the cat's body. The green fluorescent protein, or GFP, gene from jellyfish makes cells glow green under UV light. This GFP gene acts as a visual marker, confirming the presence of the modified genes. When the cat glows, researchers know the genetic changes were successfully incorporated. After inserting these genes, the modified egg cells were fertilized with sperm from a non-glowing cat. The resulting embryos were implanted in female cats, and some of the kittens born glowed under UV light, showing they carried both the GFP and TRIMCYP genes. Bioluminescence as a genetic marker. The use of GFP has its roots in earlier scientific discoveries. First isolated from the jellyfish Equoria victoria by Nobel laureate Osamu Shimomura, GFP allows scientists to see if the genetic modifications took hold. This glowing marker is widely used in genetic research because it's a clear, visual way to identify successful gene transfer in living organisms. In the TG cats, GFP makes areas like the fur, claws, and even the inside of the mouth glow under blue or UV light, making it easy to confirm that the TRIMCYP gene, along with GFP, is present and active throughout the body. Testing FIV resistance. In preliminary lab tests, cells taken from TG cats showed resistance to FIV. This means that the TRIMCYP gene appears to block the virus from infecting cells in a similar way that it protects monkeys from viruses. While these initial results are promising, the researchers plan to take this study further by exposing TG cats to FIV to observe whether the virus can spread within the body. If these cats remain resistant to FIV, it could lead to breakthroughs in preventing or treating the virus in both cats and, potentially, humans. Implications for cats and humans. If TG cats are proven to be resistant to FIV, this breakthrough could eventually lead to gene therapy or new treatments for FIV in domestic cats. In the long run, genetically resistant cats could be introduced into feline populations, particularly feral groups, to help curb the spread of the virus. For humans, the implications are also significant. Understanding how TRIMCYP works to block FIV could inspire similar strategies for HIV prevention or treatment, adding a valuable model to AIDS research. The research on TG cats opens doors not only for veterinary science but also for medical advancements that could impact both human and animal health on a large scale. TG cats are a groundbreaking example of genetic science at work, with glowing green fur, possible FIV resistance, and a wealth of potential for both feline and human health. This research marks an incredible step forward, promising to bring benefits across species and push the boundaries of what we know about genetic resistance to disease. Now, if you've ever wondered how cats see the world, you won't want to miss our next video, where we uncover the secrets of feline vision and the unique ways cats perceive their surroundings. Stay tuned. And if you found this exploration into TG cats fascinating, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights into the science of cats.